Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make air fried egg roll pizza sticks using Little Caesar's ZAP pack. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe: egg roll wrappers, pepperoni, mozzarella sticks, pizza sauce, an air fryer, Little Caesar's ZAP pack to taste, and extra virgin olive oil non-stick cooking spray. Now let's get this food started. First, preheat your air fryer to 350 for 5 minutes. Then spray with your olive oil and then sprinkle on your ZAP pack. Next, flip over your egg roll wrapper and then wet the sides with water. Now you get to put in your fillings and sprinkle in some more ZAP pack. Then roll and then tuck and then roll some more, and then finally you get to drop them into the air fryer for 10 minutes. Make sure to let cool and then you're ready to chow down. Alrighty, we're back now for the taste test. And for those of you wondering, yes, I did scald my fingers for that last little part there where I pulled the pizza stick apart. I had to wait on these to cool down a little bit, so forgive me if they're not as stretchy. Put some pizza sauce on there. Let's get that bite. That's not bad at all. I think I got mine a little bit too crispy on the sides here, but another win. Oh, this is one for the books. This is one that you should definitely try. I've seen several people make stuff like this on the internet, but they didn't put the ZAP pack in there. You could use whatever seasoning you want, but I chose to be different and just use some ZAP pack. And it worked out perfect. Johnny, you're gonna love these. That's my best friend who I do the paranormal articles with. He loves ZAP pack. Yes, this is a total win. I'm happy. You guys don't know how stressful it is for me to make these videos. And whenever I make one that's really good, especially if I put my own spin on it, I feel so great. Like, I feel like I won something. These definitely don't taste the way that I thought they were going to taste. They taste so much better. I really didn't think that I was going to like these. I would definitely make these again. I know that I tasted something like them down in Myrtle Beach, but I didn't think that I would be able to really make something like that in the air fryer. Whenever I saw pictures of other people's, for the most part, they didn't really look good. They looked kind of, I don't know, boring. Let's see if I can get a stretch for you guys. Yes. Ooh. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. A lipstick on my thumb. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're gonna experiment with food, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a retail associate, just have fun with it. You probably won't, because retail kind of sucks. But try at least. If you guys wouldn't mind, please subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.